You say it!
Go on. Hello everybody, we're at Baslow and we're taking a walk up to the Eagle Stones today, aren't we?
Yep.
We're going to have a look, we've never done this before, so let's see what it's about.
Yep.
So then, we're crossing straight over the main road, wait for traffic. So we've made it 150 metres and Leo's already got to do his shoe.
Do it tight properly. More like 150 centimetres.
So we're using Kamut, like a really good tool to finding nice little walks, or as long as you want to go. So we've got to go up Eaton Hill, down to Bar Road.
When are we going to start walking while there's no roads?
Well, we're going right here. Right in a second. Ah, gotta go. Never done it before, what do we know? Well, that's the end of the main road anyway. It's a restricted.
Rabbit! That's cool. I've got any chances of seeing that?
Looking backwards for a cloud.
It's easier.
Backing over, Cleo. Going that way.
Bugger.
Further uphill.
Cookie's seen the horse and some trainers.
What are you doing?
Ow! Yeah. I'm getting written out now, I can't roll hold the GoPro.
Smile. We've already got some nice views that way, we're only halfway up the hill. Look at that down through there. Stunning. Tired? Long way up there, isn't it?
You said it wasn't just furthest out there.
I know, this bit's quite steep, isn't it? Oh my word. We'll get there. We'll put these in across the path there. It's quite steep. Water, if it rains hard, it'll run down here really fast. So it hits this, diverts it off down that way. So it doesn't wash out the path.
Why can't there just be one of them?
Well, because if you leave big gaps, you'll still get lots of water in it,
Yeah.
and it'll wash it away. Section there all the way through, that's where it's been washed away. And then it's hit this and stopped it.
But what if the water that deep, it just went over it?
Oh, but it won't do as much damage, will it?
Did you eat it in the poo? I wish I picked up a thinner jumper. I've got video and cookie. Get up in there now.
2, 1.
That cookie's gonna land on you. So that's the Wellington monument there. We're on Baslow Edge. So Duke of Wellington, his celebration of his victory at the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, so a long time ago.
Wow.
Let's go right here.
And if I was coming this way, it's left. If we're going that way.
I thought he was wearing.
Dad,
What?
I wonder why there's going to be so many Minecraft films today.
Oh, we're just showing it lots, aren't we? Because there's lots of people wanting to watch it.
Yeah, and people might have plans for in the morning or afternoon.
So they put lots of different, put it on lots of times for all the different families that have got kids and things to do and deal with.
We're going up that. It's like fun climbing up and down rocks and stuff. It's fun.
Come on, catch up with Cookie. Right, you be careful.
Huh?
Check the map. We're going down into the valley,
Oh yeah.
following the road.
There better be a lot of rocks for me to climb on. Oh, this looks like a good one. You hold it and then pass me when I'm up. Never mind.
What?
I thought it'd be a bit longer than that.
A bit narrow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Buckle Lion, Winhill, Kinder Scout, Carver Edge. Wow, there's lots to see. I just said we've done 3 miles.
2 miles left then.
Open
So I can use both my hands to
For what?
park all around the rocks and stuff. Right.
Stealing sandwiches, are you? No, stay on the path.
I want to go on the rock.
Country code. Follow the paths. Come on.
Go, Cookie, drink seat. Come on. No. Oh, I wish that was a bit more wider. That's why I put the GoPro in my mouth. Starting to need toilet.
That one, it?
Huh?
Long way up.
Starting to need toilet now.
Yeah. Why did you wait until we're next to the road?
Huh?
Why did you wait until we're on a road before you have a wee?
I don't need a wee. I mean, you know what?
Looks shut.
I hope not.
Building.
Jesus Christ! We've just been running all the way down. We've just been all the way up there and run most of the way down.
Yeah, somebody needed a poop. What?
I don't want to. Are they going to chase me if I run? What?
Yeah, don't run, just walk nice sensibly.
Oh God. Nope. Bye.
So we've been sort of at Baslow, haven't we? Gone up onto Wellington Monument, and then we found the Eagle Rock, didn't we? And then along Baslow Edge, back down to Carver, and an ice cream, and now we're back at the car. So it's been a good video. We've enjoyed it, haven't we? Good walk.
Yep.
Bit more road than we'd normally like, don't we? But
Yeah.
it was alright. So what do you say?
Like, subscribe, watch more videos. Bye.